Hello learners, happy learning. In this video, banking theory, law and practice to see collecting banker. Collecting banker is one who undertake to collect various types of instruments representing money in favor of his customer or his own behalf from the drawers of negotiable instrument. Duties and responsibilities of collecting banker. Acting as an agent while collecting an instrument, whether for credit to customer's account or for himself, the banker works as an agent of his customer. As an agent, he has generally to take such steps and precautions to protect the interest of his customer as a man of ordinary prudence would take to safeguard his own interest. Scrutinizing the instrument. Name of the holder, branch name, date, amount in word and figure, any cutting without signature, material alteration of any to be checked carefully. Checking the endorsement. Banker has to check the instrument whether it has been endorsed, presenting the instrument in due time. It is the responsibility of the collecting banker to present the instrument in due time to the paying. Collecting the proceeds in payer's account. It is the duty of collecting banker to collect and credit the proceeds of the instrument to the proper and correct account. Notice of dishonor and returning the instrument. If any instrument is dishonored by the paying banker, it should be informed to the customer on the business day following the receipt of the unpaid instrument. Under section 131 gives a protection, statutory protection for collecting banker. Under section 131 of Negotiable Instrument Act, the collecting banker is not liable to true owner of a check or banker's draft if is entitled to the instruments prove defectives, provided the check or a draft was one crossed generally or specially to himself, and collect for the customer is good faith and without negligence. The above statutory protection is available to the collecting banker only if he satisfy the following conditions. The first one is the check he collected is crossed check. Number 2, he collected such crossed check only for his customer as an agent and not as a holder for value. He collected such crossed check in good faith and without negligence. And there is no protection for the collecting banker if the opening of account without satisfactory reference or introduction, creating the proceeds of check to an endorsee with the irregular endorsement, crediting the proceeds of checks to the personal account of director, partner or any employee when it is payable to the company, crediting the proceeds of charge to personal name of the official when it is payable to the government agency, autonomous body or corporation, crediting the amount of check in the personal account which is drawn by an agent on behalf of its principal. When the customer depositing the check is of little means and a check deposited suddenly is of sizable amount, and the bankers credited the proceeds thereto without making proper inquiry. Check drawn by the customer is dishonored very often, and crediting such account with the proceeds of collecting check without making proper inquiry. If the crossed check is collected and credited, the proceed to the other account. Thank you for watching this video. Share and subscribe this video.